Where my eyes are in Atuja.
Now, wait me a Katakwashia. Now, me the Bloom not was what.
Now, baby, I am
paying for one Bloom Hospital. And Yankee,
Kwasi, what is a University of Ghana Medical?
Hey, University of Ghana Medical Hospital.
You're young on a pay. Oh, but their services are on point.
Because so many fly. Can't even fly back.
Was as I say with me, Alpha Crambia, so now at the end of the day, they have to meet their targets. But and sister would decide Juma would you know.
Oh my,
you know there is no doctor.
Only say money that specialist for what I need. Then you tell me say more necessary at least also I want it to be me. Okay, let's try it. We go to the process. We could do her next.
Even before that, Krano, who said next back could train
you.
And our car say, oh, as I see, ni pay cry about no so men koye. So be
kaya.
Men koye, oh me wa ha me kwaba si ana okra no. Oh behem na also me kwaba. So me cry the watch ya wo inside in I been say bia
one more year man.
Tumpan bia wura wasu moja. Ye be banda na chese bibia ye kama.
Unfortunately, but I think say entwe ye. Na sene me ka say ban isika ye etuo ya yetuatua ye ne ho abasem ya ne ribetua mo se na ekoje krai kan nipa dodo a ye adwuma ye ne de ekoje ye ene ye ma nyina ebenyi abetua bi enti ye koba se ye ba such a big facility na personnel na ho no ye ne metesa na entwa ye o sika no mo give for registration kra nyes kaketwa na we are much tretre mo sama kire me kon ya brand e bi Kevin kra enso timanim na ya ka say enkwada na etu enim do e said na den na so pani kan e woka osu mbe we anyway e we not to papa so at the end of the day na e was say me sorry na e copy before which wasn't a good thing me why me see can so maje wi kwesi
just say asem film sem and the money is not refundable.
Oh, me and I see him follow. I could have gone say look what that because there's a certain element of deceit. But I say curry wo ho obehwe me koya curry ni ho the terms are omapon you knew say omapon around that time
they close at 2.
Yes, exactly. So by around 2
yes
na ni pana antwe anhwe me then what was the essence who take me vitals na there and then you don't take charge of
the national what the nurse now take vitals na better at least
but I think she was very professional though on him but she was very professional and that one I think say I must comment here
no man ya meso kakra me observe what a facility.
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Into your BBC or Ghana.
You say, Omunim Papano. Now, the fact is, in the University of Ghana America, you may be any also we can come in Juma.
Yeah.
And as in be, you say we can as in BC or around police for as in
yeah.
So many acquaintances. So
assistance.
Thank you. But you say, you look Robo Hospital, no? Yeah, we are commission is here, no?
Yeah.
And they have to go to a tour.
True.
Abrade see here hospital see hano. When you call you see what change. You see.
No manager one funny thing a horn so here. Say, when say nurses no they come around, but you may be a new one. What ban will be do and one besign no work at the end of the month where you want salary.
Yeah, you look Robo.
Yeah.
Okoman Radio.
Now when
there is a dispute, there is a land dispute. Dispute be land and also occur for claim me say one day, and I yield on so claim me say one day.
Now,
there is that.
Kofi Adway, Akropon, and I say, maybe see that. My president.
Oh,
I could go and they won't tell me. School near your friends say.
The way Okuga United.
Me, but me ba, maybe I'm going to be sat with a day where you find Sana. Why don't know? You knock your car question. Aye. You tell the 310. Okay, tell the 310 to me now.
you should be.
Yeah, that's our run 310. Let's come back to the issue.
Yeah.
Metie said there was such a similar situation. Meboa.
Yeah.
Back and forth. Okay, fine. It is school a share so. The near Kugwa a school. And they would okre and you look robot and your hospital.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, okre you look robot.
Hospital.
Hospital no. We must assess it. People must assess it whilst those litigation can still be ongoing.
Yeah.
You can be fighting.
Yeah.
And we can't wait. It's a process where we are near nearby.
True.
No facility we see now quiet to the papa such as we can cry in Yajuma.
Okoman Radio.
Near walking, Nanes Nyako sign, near Bosmia Tran, any leakage, any waste.
A man from wow.
That's true.
Oh, back send people no point. We are getting MPP. And we MPP. It's not about MPP. Nana Kufuor. I can't invite. Oh, since China MPP can be bad. Abros 149. And what it is, they say Ghana will remain. Parties will go and come, but Ghana will remain. Pasa jeti hoyi ochine bi o MC kra minim ochine bi o minister minim o ye MP minim enti ontwema kro ni nse no be di MP anas MC awa enden. We shouldn't talk about it. Nana Kufuor Kasa bia President Kasa say Ghana we should protect for the unborn generation. Enti protection
we should be spectators. We shouldn't be spectators.
Yes.
We should be citizens.
Enti no ko kanso ni atago ni eba wo so. Please.
Citizens here, you can be using na akwakoya asem.
Oh, crazy. Kevin, yes, I'm watching you.
Cha mama nje osuna cha no pe minchia woni wati efo nyina.
Ya feel. Meso me bad meso.
I feel bia.
Odo yare no besa na me pa.
I feel bia na yenchia etiefo na ahwefo mo hwe yen e Facebook.
Yeah.
Omo heavy. Edo mase ne omo pa ebo abreni ado nyina no. Omobo ede emaye na German na sekese nkoma wankasa oni pakwasi ana afinso no okore Jeff mo mutumi tutu ana mo
ona say you representative na na DJ una na DJ so
Jawa me boba
na vibe
na de aja me ko ni mana so wo tu
na vibe ka sem pacho so mo fa na ti ho yo wo fa do be ko o de ade ne be ma
wo fa ofie ye ntino ni nyina be boa
aga vibe o de swag be dia no o de swag be dia no
say temage na be onkonya ye ma
o say honagu say amono krom ni na owa ha no o brew o yes store brew
no yes store brew
wo na bu amono krom
na mi do na
odo amono krom mo mranti no eti no remisa se wanya brew amono
on chance obe tu na mo
obe chiro be bia odo na bisi
anybody
amono krom in time ke say ni code
za
ya na wase mo pai bo ene ade a mo de time echi nyakopadum me huye na menda nurses ahora ni na ofre ema me advice and
malaria ke go do fia nurses to be from echro edura no
say yare na ba won so won adwuma
malaria
kwesi
won adwuma wodi
allow the young man please open your question. I'm the moderator mama I am the speaker here.
Yes,
please go ahead.
Menda Ruby akuya sechibia so nurse ni sanso na
but your nurse when ni ehunu bia dachi orange na itete kwashi
once the posting in my ntino but we bi
kwesi ehunu ntodi code no de location is answer no chira ko akwase me hwe Ruby akuya sechibia eye mate wase
afin so menda Sandra Obinwa enso ase ono so nurse ni
baby okra mi misa kwesi etu a oba ASR
Agnes nso nurse ni menda na afin so patients ano see nurse.
That's what something that no me bia me hwe me.
Me pese me bisa na se me pacho. Me pese me bisa na se hospital na okoye. Nurse dudu wa hene hwe.
When we are my personal nurses
thank you. Thank you very much. Mr. Yare, Kevin, baby on your day in Pacho money Johnson Tiapo, Mufi, I'm moving be mammy.
Oh,
Anka IFA.
It's very my Yare.
Oh, so now, Menda,
you might say, oh, yes,
I'll pay me 5 brew. I think they want to take show no. Brew, clinical. Yeah, Minchia nurses no. We could take him last injection into no. We be okay. Well, young listeners.
Kwese je be petua yare. No, ye be kwese je petua yare. O be
petua yare,
Ai.
Yare de nya de pa.
Ai, azanwa, ne huna me de ya. Wa kase na so anko be say, we de huna me ma na si fu bi. E bre fi be me.
We be sure that betu mama say and uko tete kwashi ama. Ya ma me fi ya wo. Ma me bi wo me so be 50 something, no so ba betu ma sure.
O se nurse fo nye na.
Nurse fo de enye me.
Post ya ibi I don't know say hu ya.
Bacho ma hu.
Oh no can't me be share na nchen about post ya. Say we be here for ara.
Na merida obi ase wadaro.
Now that na so show moti yo we.
Ya gaza. Kwasi una oflo una bani kasa.
Eti ja me da say titiri nya asa na menda wankasa so heavy advice na dey buy or the mama ni ade nyina no but I say Yankopon shot team ni na DJ.
Na na mo the glass I don't want to feel.
Jama say you be na can so glass on gwa. It's
say no kwa say okotwa bi kwa the
boy vibes Donzi.
And the boy I'm real hair back.
That's ah.
My hair back hair back bridge we are. When I tell what you have bro.
Donzi mo zigi ne another me amo ndam bi.
Yes, na do so do
ye. No ba chama say aba ya ba ni aba. Ya ba ni aba. Me ba na me monitor show no. Me won say issues wo.
Budget mi jawa me to be say
pa ko say forward ni am bia ma me hu one or two bi. Na me answer my follow issues no from Friday ba. Majority caucus Parliament of Ghana the statement aba. Now this statement no chairman I don't know say yakwa no. Na yenhwe bara so rather than I just speaker any yes speaker me can speaker but minority any for a ball I rejected the 2022 budget no and I think say near minority in the Bible until no they did it in accordance with the 1992 constitution.
Oka majority.
Minority rejection. No. Minority rejection.
Ciao. I say me matete. Na I say we there was after Parliament confusion, Supreme newspaper and we have. On this specific my picky or other portal. Or say the speaker is spending about $600,000 on his medical bills. My pick is information.
Chairman, Oshe
exam the first 300 tranche echo on his first trip, and the second trip is about another $300,000.
Because and the clerk of parliament had it released by on a trip to Dubai, you know. Or the medical whatever now so
cash in the
cash no count statement no cash in count but the number of people no
and
yes this are
oh yes.
The number of people there I think about Okanwa they will be 5.
Wow.
Yes, Okanwa 5 because the wife.
But Kwame Minchawano, I have a question to ask. You see your parliament in Anui. Speaker Babe, sorry no. The sitting was adjourned to Ochina Tuesday. What period then this letter came out? So what is Speaker trying to tell us?
No,
meaning say there are other deputy speakers.
No, not on that. Sitting. Not on that. As I'm sitting here right now, there have been instances I'm about 2 times. I made sure I got here. I was so sick. I had to go. The next day I tried. I was so sick. I had to take a break by doctor's advice. And assurance and the drone and I said, appointment. And as you said, with or without him, the parliament can function.
The parliament can
function.
And
then I think it is a non-starter.
Okay,
it can function.
I am analyzing this situation.
Adjourn to Abia Echina. Echina only available. There's a deputy or there are deputies. So business can so long go.
Okay.
Can
medical checkup.
The site I am seeing this coming from.
That is your assumption.
Yes. I don't want to argue this politically.
As a mafia game be. Oh baby.
How?
And that's what I
yes, from my view.
Maybe you don't speak for somebody.
Yes.
Okay.
How? No, saying.
Okay. Speaker.
Once he was sitting and presiding, he did what he thinks. From 1992, he has been there.
But he's not perfect.
Oh, Kwesi. Am I saying he's perfect?
No,
please.
No one is.
No,
no
one is. No.
Wait a minute. He's been in parliament. He's been in parliament.
Listen. Oh, yeah, a student of communication.
Yes.
And some of the areas you don't go there. Don't twist arguments. Who has said it's perfect?
Debbie.
Apart from yes, Christo, who is perfect? And as we sit here at our level, who claims to be a perfect? As I say, I don't even say I'm perfect. Let alone go and say so.
But from the view and our say he's been in parliament from 19.
Wait a minute.
With experience, the person could say,
please.
Then the man
fundamentally say hasn't been there from 22 and has not been there. So you collaborate or otherwise. Instead of to stick to yes, indeed. He has been there since 92, yes. But before say, but they don't. I mean, rubbish is say it doesn't make him perfect. That's quite unfortunate.
When it comes
that's
to
quite unfortunate.
Parliament,
I'm still holding that it doesn't. Bobby been in Parliament
please,
from 1992.
With all due respect, has he been there from 92?
He's been there.
So, we are educating people. A certain information is put out there. Yes. You don't collaborate. Rather, you spin and go otherwise. It is spinning. This is what we call spinning. Opening Papa from 1992. He's been there. Oh yes, a true raw 92. But a beer, the near ball mammy first. But when I say yes, definitely. Did I land? No, you don't make argument like that.
Ebiana Chama feels the word I'll use he's not perfect. No one has
we haven't got anybody said it's perfect.
Something.
But what it is they say, the man has been there from 92. And he has got the chance to become the speaker. And what the constitution says, he thinks that's what he has done. But you are rather sitting here saying, oh, Madi water, no wako. That did he tell you he was going to do that? That's your assumption.
But
I think you are taking a position.
Whatever he did.
That's exactly what you are doing.
I am not taking
a position. I tell you guys, whatever he did was in accordance with the law or with the constitution.
Exactly.
And you know personally.
Wait a minute. If you want to be a politician, then you must play by the tenet. What does the constitution say? Doesn't it say 1/3 of the house can form a quorum?
And it's personal.
Maybe some questions. What does the constitution say about quorum forming?
Oh, the 1/3 of the house can form.
And now pick a calculator and then divide 275 by 3.
I am not disputing.
No.
I am not disputing the fact that they didn't form a quorum.
You won't spin on this show.
Parliamentary business was still going on.
You won't spin. Please, you won't spin on the show. Me say, for calculator, do us a favor. For calculator.
Okay.
275 divided by 3.
275
divided by 3. So unyahi.
91.
Okay, thank you.
91.7. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So for the 90 or 91.
Yeah.
And a formal quorum.
Yeah.
Minority 4 no me no more.
137.
And so it's not even above the quorum. That's number one. And he as an astute a member of parliament who has become well known say quorum. So has there not been times NDC for SC Abontia decision has been made during President Kufuor's time?
Even during Nana His Excellency first term, when Aaron Michael Kwe was the speaker, there was several instances minority, that's the NDC.
We don't want to be part of it. Because you see, as one I make when it is MPP, there should be a way to defend it, a way to garnish it, please. My country was a the constitution.
Yeah, I said I won't argue politically.
But if you come here and say,
whatever.
also MC, and they can say, MC from 92. I mean, look, you don't rubbish things like that. And you think to become a politician. Why ask those Mr. Chuma Simuni and why people who have contested elections and lost?
I think so. You have been hard on him.
You are being too emotional here.
No. You see,
I understand.
We are educating people. We are educating people.
People would begin to say you've taken a stand.
No. Where's the stand? Question: what does the constitution say about quorum forming?
I wanted to read out.
Whatever we are saying here.
What does the constitution say?
Yeah, it's what.
And that's a constitution.
Calm down. Let's what is.
No. Yanko constitution. Pick the constitution. Let me help with the constitution.
Okay.
German article 104 talks about voting in parliament.
Yes.
1. Except as otherwise provided in this constitution, matters in parliament shall be that A, determined by the votes of the majority of members present and voting, with at least half of all the members of parliament present.
Right.
Yes. And you know, a simple calculation, Chairman Mao, at least half of
half of parliament. And at 137.
For me, half of the parliament.
What does that mean? Now, even quorum forming is about 1/3. Which is 137 is above 1/3. And there was a certain 137 representing a certain half of the House. And then you come to voting, sitting and voting. Go there. 111. Go to 111. 111. Go to 111.
Chairman, Article 111.
Go to 111.
Okay. 111.
Brandy.
I know that. John, okay.
What does 111
say? I'm saying okay.
I'm getting messages that you should calm down.
Oh no, we are.
No, but you see, we're a team member, and if you want to spin,
no,
we should be hard on you than any other person who sits here. That's the spin you are doing.
You see, I want us to take this, not. Oh, mommy said no.
And send it be. And what be? You need because send it be.
I think I have the hard copy in my bag, and I think it's a hard copy.
Say Jacob,
you see, Chairman, we are arguing based on voting here.
But
you see, the business.
What gives them the power to vote?
No,
it's not the constitution.
I am taking it from the business. No, starting. I am not basing on the voting and the quorum, the form of the House.
What's the fundamental? What's the basis for all the practices they are doing? Is that constitution?
Dano.
Is it not the constitution?
Dano. You see,
you are restricted to answer questions. It's not a constitution.
Mr. Baffour, can I come in?
What is the guide?
Can I come in?
What is the basis?
Can I come in?
Because you sit on my show, I ask you questions, you don't answer, you want to divert, you want to swerve.
No.
Me say, what is the basis? What is the rule? What is the guide? Is that the constitution? Is it not the constitution?
It's the constitution.
Can you speak to the microphone? Is that the constitution?
It's the constitution.
And so, can we use the constitution here?
Yes.
It doesn't matter how people feel. The constitution doesn't give us room for disgruntled people. Our constitution is already. And that's the constitution is already. I was saying, you're going to be any constitution will be rare. Almost will be rare. Please, let's stick to the constitution. Every before a bunch of lawyers, and I think when it comes to constitutional issues, don't let us swerve. What does 111 say?
Okay. Attendance in Parliament. 111 it talks about attendance in Parliament of the Vice President and ministers. The Vice President or a minister or deputy minister who is not a member of Parliament shall be entitled to participate in the proceedings of Parliament and shall be accorded all the privileges of a member of Parliament, except that he is not entitled to vote or to hold an office in Parliament.
Thank you. And you're a finance minister or a member of Parliament. When he got there, was not accorded all the privileges
accorded.
Didn't he sit on their seat?
Oh, yes.
Didn't he use their desk? Didn't he use their microphone? Their washrooms? Was he not given So those courtesies were extended to him. There was time for voting. And this voting was sort of requested by the majority. And while they were preparing also him, and then minority say, I will be plenty. Ebiana akobro so na ebina onipa no kofra kra ene covid into obi a mask tebe ya aka oma papa ni mpie no munye omu business. Meanwhile papa no krampo request of the question was a very humble request. Mesremo was see enya odo ene ntia ne kabom ne de adwuma yi na ka ye man time na one empany before then no teni we ade bi na ekoso a papa ni pie oma ha me obisa so man break ahen
30 minutes
about
it was of an hour.
And Obayan, what is the explanation that he gave?
Oh, I apologize.
Yesterday.
Say, Obayan na house na aye kakra.
And not day into no chair.
No, so he had to meet both sides.
And who?
With the finance minister.
Thank you. And he apologized and said, "Was wrong? Nanka 30 minutes break." But even before then, time on my say on Messiano. Obeka I say minority tenase. Time na majority but.
Oh, majority are momentum.
It took about 4 hours.
4 hours.
And you see,
it took the speaker to even, to be hard on them.
You see, where Muma yen share and maybe. Now, when you set a precedent, it becomes a yardstick to measure certain things. Ye be share as your leader. Now, 4 good hours now. After all, I can't do anything to you. Because that was quite excessive. Mabam. I do baby and Motuaba. Moan Marco say, no can move into Mopesamotuaba. Beba.
Chairman.
And I say, almost prepare. Lobby
Horna. Before say, na a battle on the Bible, there was a prayer in the house. Kevin, we are away.
Now a prayer by finance minister.
Yes.
And then no come Musem say for Odoni Biakuye ni
Okoman Kasa. Bra majority leader. Sorry say or na yato ama say minority fu nikan enkamu asem.
That was one or say they should wind up.
They should wind up.
And speaker, majority leaders also okase oma ankoma Okoman Kasa na ordinasem you see ti yenyina efi say I mean so we spin na man say we spin and I know now
when we come here and we are on the same page and me go in nyade
we
argue from different perspectives.
I didn't know you want to play the role of a panel. Going forward, I'll put you to a panel.
Chairman,
take it from me.
Chairman, I think he's not being fair to
no. It's party work. That's what he's doing. Because he thinks a certain party members will align him. As a producer, we had a discussion saying, so then we could have asked you to bring that MPP guy you bring the NEC guy, bring Zoro, they sit down, they argue their case. But why you agree with your presenter and come on air and take a position without agreeing this?
Don't take it there.
What do you mean don't take it there? We never had a discussion.
We had a discussion.
Did you as a producer?
We had a discussion.
Jamaica said, no, it's unfortunate. We are watching and learning in public.
That's
very much unfortunate.
Yeah.
And we never agreed that you are going to be on the panel. I mean, when you've been even doing research, and at that point, I needed you to come on. But you are telling me, say, you never came in to do no. Oh, say,
it's too.
Why is too early?
I'm giving to my majority caucus.
We were building a point.
I didn't know, sir. Invite you to sit down and say, I agree on the same line and yet. Oh, manager, presenter, me say, I'll come in and come from this angle. This must come from this angle. We thought we were doing it free and then digest it and then get as it happened. And no, don't worry. It's okay.
So as our majority caucus statement.
Let's look at it from here.
Chairman, I was on the floor when I was on the floor.
And the majority leader was clear, say Australia ka omo we hold you on. Na papa ndi asema to nim so percent ka ono mushia ne ade. Na obeswe say the horse the man is here, he want him to speak it by himself. And na oma minority echo so kasa e. To we no say majority kasa we pa na ka na conclude meboa. And then came say beto abadia they should begin to prepare the lobbies. A year behind the speaker no prepare all for the said practice. There was also I put to the question in answer. I was following it. And I think after that one, and the Koba say I prepare to Abadia, Muntaka say ever to Abana, or best say Finance Minister MP, any other minister on the buy MP, and the work minister also. On any MP na and they were saying the COVID above we actually no smas will be confirmed to be a Biana or Manco, Nana Kana Cofans, Mabinto Senka, on Mumpi, Nenka, my friend say. Members nkwa na omitime to abana say ye de na si sua hu osua hu a mo be kai ni see sometime January bra almost so in look at me see ebi si o mia ebi so a edin konwa ne ade bobo but na Ghana enim say ebetimi asi e kire say do ba bia ni betimi aba ama wanye kono bia kobo bia ama ye be kosi no enkoye ani kasem ye fa no to nchen ntinke be a omumpie ne nka ono mo nko a no mo nto no mo nwe enumu na and price MPs who says public gallery and from public gallery yes on yes on BP it was clear on it yes on BP and back and forth away why I am the price MP if he doesn't leave launching himself and all that. If you don't
mind, we have the audio
from there and I'm but let me say I said when he came there was he recognized and given certain privileges as a member of parliament?
No.
from the public gallery. No chamber anymore. Plenary. No hobby. You see, never be homework. We don't have to waste time and then try to qualify it. Or the public gallery. A ho okra betime free kropon akotena akohwe bi. We are gonna ni ba emrama akwan. And now say the word public. Betime akwa we are gonna ni ba. Betime akwa so kwese Ghana Parliament FH. You can go there when you are screen. Bibi show hu two and show hu bibi betime akotena ahwe bi. Sure. He got there sitting in the public gallery. Don't forget, he is a general secretary of a leading political party. And don't forget, he is a former member of the House. And because I said, now, Francois Nyajuma be now Baha. The other day, I was at EIB. I sat down with Bolare as my chief executive, chief finance officer. We sat down, had a conversation. Me quiet, no. That was BM1. Everybody was happy I was there. It's me quiet, no. Me do reception. My man trying reception. Me ram. Na me share chief finance. Hey, Obabola, I'm Nibola appoint me. Me who. Me do reception. Yes, call. People were sitting there waiting in a queue, but I was asked to pass, and I passed. Went straight to Police Secretariat and went to meet with him. Me quite know a meeting. Was it me? Oh, we a meeting. Somebody comes from neighbor for me. Then he ushered me in tea as a former member of the House. Fan se onye general secretary cannot be sound ohwebia. E dey na aba. Obehwe media bebisa questions and interviews. E wo hu say mo bro Sam say we are learning. Then and Priso MP said well who say I said ketiate won to so free ho. Abra woni ho. Yes, ampa I said ketiate jai ho public gallery on kan assembly eka. See e pre am papa na ha yem permanent na ha. To the extent say speaker Cracker say marshals emremu na papa sorry e no hwe bibi oye wa hu. Also a pan of fan back and bonus in just as they do to speaker of bonus man need and no pay. I mean the business would have continued. Because I say budget no when here titru or money in here there when here the abo a man hobra and you buy no tiaba a buying cloth for CPA and you want to qualify it. And this is a one timer, and I say a newcomer, a first timer. Now, as me can't say, Papa say a search mensa bonsu, Canada, Japan money, Katie Hammer, much that went to the cheapie. Namako, Nase, half of the house. So my reject here, Maba say reject here. They say I'm running Sanana, and I said, was it not clear with the constitution? And as a constitutional,
Chairman, this time around, a bit more difficult for the government and I said the majority even get approval no more because now speaker anyway the person who taking charge a member of the majority I know
Eswati
I know he's not allowed to vote but now he's not allowed to vote he's
only allowed to vote sorry
no Friday because I did then
you're presiding
party listen
please once you assume
the first deputy speaker First deputy speaker, I am part of the majority.
I can foresee. Remember, be a second or no year neutral.
Still 137.
Exactly. And the fear is, Sekobase obi wa majority ni mo a. Na ni enye budget ni ho a.
I stand nothing happened.
January. Interest. And Parliament is being put to test now. Share near the 20 now president. Ye phobia sem. So versus so 1930. Near the 20 near the 80. Near senior president and some now. I would say BBC the very
I stand to be corrected. Near minimum say maybe. First deputy speaker be presiding. Now I don't know how the proceedings the second deputy speaker betimi aba be presiding ama Joyce and so akwakoto aba. That is why I said I stand to be corrected.
The thing is on say to me
I stand to be corrected.
Ghana president no vice president
Joyce
You
see,
that
you are assuming.
I'm assuming that
we are working with constitution here.
I start to
assumptions doesn't come
in the nutshell. This is one of the best parliament. The way things are going,
my friend, don't come and qualify your good. Don't come and qualify your good for what you are doing.
See, this is one of the best. I mean, from 7 January. From 7 January.
I want to speak because I MPP constituency. You want to do news? Say, yeah, the chairman now more and say, the MP now more and say,
I am not coming from that point,
my friend.
I am not coming from.
That's where you are coming from. Please,
I'm not coming from.
Who send the test and say people are saying who the people? There are people behind us. Only no crowd when they say, Mama, you cannot cry. Me say that MPP ni. That MPP ni beka say. Me MPP ni ade MPP for ye di enyo. Na ye nyi politics mo. That NDC beka say me NDC ni na dia your friend is saying or they say NDC for ye di enye ntwa ye na ye nyi wo mu no. We are making obi nkwa man so beko akotwitwa aye me atwa me NDC ni ana say me MPP ni me MPP ni
asemo say adwuma we
otwa ho kwa muntie onko so NDC ni me order say for me to aba me bisa questions and I demand the answers asa opinion
but chairman before so bebemo no ye nyina ye gitume say ade opk ye no.
It should apologize to the parties.
And people are oh yeah, waha ebiana ni pani biante. Yenko ne yenko fabra.
Bossa
yenko de yenko fabra.
Ono launch no man question say okwa okase
as a member of parliament for the good people of Impraiso. If Asiabu Getia doesn't work out of this chamber, nothing will go. Asiabu Getia is not going anywhere. Asiabu Getia is not going anywhere today.
Okoman Radio.
Asiabu Getia is you. He has every right. We know you. Leave. Want to bring people leave. Asiabu will leave. He must leave. We will not condone this.
Thank you very much. Mr.
At the end, ending. Say, Yempio Yentiensi.
Okay, go ahead.
Okoman Radio.
Honorable members on the majority side, everybody should walk out. Let's walk out. Walk out. Walk out.
Okoman Radio.
Thank you. So at that material time, he more or less assumed the role of leader of the majority. So what was? Meaning, say at that point, so they were clueless or what? The first time on TH, him say, walk out, and then you follow. So at that point, no more confused around it. How many are almost one? You see, destiny, utie other side, obey the right a bit to her. Now, can I? Ebia or human job or me say, but ebia situation I person correct. Maybe I call say no. What do I say? Obia Betro say he's an Alan boy. At a point, was PA2 even Kwabena Japan, and he thinks that he's not really accepted by the Akufo-Addo faction. That's the setting right now, and he just want to do things for them to say, yeah. At the end of the day, if that's the case, that is alleged and written here. Now we've gone to rather cause the party this harm. Now the majority must come out with this statement to give hope to the people and the followers and the supporters and encourage it. And Ebasa then it is planning some form of this could be of a sort. What am I saying? Sure. Because OTH we say reject and Ebisa say constitutional is clear. Yes. And say a quorum is 1/3, and then during voting at least half of the house and 1/7. Does it form half or not? Does it?
Yeah.
It does.
Per the constitution, is the budget rejected or not?
Per the constitution, Chairman, budgets are rejected.
Per the constitutional definition of is it rejected or not? Per what? You see, right? To become the parliament speaker, the speaker of parliament, you know. What would you say? And yes, if you and Papa na me come from 92, and then he's been discredited and maligned because he went by dictate of the constitution, and we are full. And that same president will be used, and then we want to bring that office down because people didn't act well. Rather chastise the speaker to qualify what the people did. and open my catch was same a janai. Opa for laughing at Twaba go a janai. Please, let's read the constitution and tell them say, Manyan ye, Yataba Masam called Janamu, and Yamukoye, OPK, on your first time, my time on Nabajon say, honorable majority members, walk out. No Mudinechi.
So
they should call that boy to book.
During the we are in the 8th parliament, right?
Obi said, honorable Bene Champon. Na
you who Japan.
Na watching na mudi soko because at the end of the day, Opa de obi wa ye ne boko and I
we ask us we ask ourselves where was Osechi Mensah?
Opening they have
minority. He was there and
minority position we taking now. Say obi crowd even so because they are talking about the issues.
Yes.
They are speaking to issues.
Sure.
Say the E11, you know, Dr. Bomia, say, Momo dear, what has changed? What has changed?
You
can't take us for granted and take us for the right.
I was on the 13th of August.
Who can say over 200 million transactions? Are we taxing mobile money? Because we have mobile money at Tuska. Yeah. No government revenue bill.
No, the point is that you are not taxing mobile money, and it is for me my view and that we should not tax mobile money because mobile money transactions, a lot of the people who are using these transactions are very poor people. You know, someone will get sent 5 CDs on mobile money. Why would you want to tax that?
Which is who can say over 200 million transactions? Are we taxing mobile money because we have mobile money at Tuska?
Yeah.
No government revenue bill.
No, the point is that you are not taxing mobile money, and it is for me my view and that we should not tax mobile money because mobile money transactions, a lot of the people who are using these transactions are very poor people. You know, someone will get sent 5 CDs on mobile money. Why would you want to tax that?
Mr. Spain, he said the party communicator.
David. Party communicator. The one man
constituency. I will be say it all. Now a producer. I said,
David.
Abubakar. Rollins, no friend to me.
Chairman.
Honorable Papi today. Honorable Frank Apri Amani Ade. Abranti MPP ni Abamapa. Madaroma. Momo de Afranse communication.
MPP ni a me kwa when you ready say what me kasa.
Kwasi eno de me kami ma eno de obi kami mo bi. Kami. Support.
I want to make a stance here. Over the weekend, I didn't know say you be kasa about this budget, but I have taken time to watch videos. The proceedings are now a Kosovo Parliament. I have taken time.
I know I can't. I am aggrieved. If you aggrieved, be aggrieved there. Who bought for my buffer? Constitution. Obi before a woman say Obi before I am going to man. We are working with constitution. And every
I am not taking
chance. At ABC here, and I'll tell you something. Abrea NCA EDJ license free. A friend is a radio station is 10 years. Na mistake me first station crack for certain friends renew one in your manema bin documentation as a regulator. When him 10 years catch on you. And then Geba Ghana Independent Brokers Association court na MPP don't know court Ghana as no was saying so him because they are about 80-90% lawyers so him. And then you could really say Obi NTA NCA can only regulator on a license in the or so why ABC one for failing so conditions are on farm or revoke or 2 minutes. It's Arbreno. So court so to me call for appeal. And you really are. Say a buyer na NC and you're happy with the ruling. They could have gone for appeal.
Sure.
But because it was in their favor and they were happy, they kept to it. And there was a duration. Because people were still agitating. Getting public trying to, get public sympathy, trying to incite. Well, okay, the regulator stayed. And I remember I told my executives, I said, look, it's about time. Fortunately, near executive is not give back executive.
Okay.
The whole history regime is only give back coordinator. And you see, yeah, but it's not give back. Give back is an organization now. We are human to use man or budget. Or try to be a amount. But our copy we are an entity, independent entity. Can we move immediately?
Sure.
And it took me 2 weeks to come and sit in Accra and then get documentation that things put together and then start. Around the time, my license back, restored. I went and then started operations. When we hear radio go no, I no more trade that area. You see how long it took them?
Yeah.
I had that license 3 years ago, restored. We started 3 years. I feel that it's a candidate. Because this is what it says. And said, "I make us only before I done a coffee court to cry the any. Judge not to cry or MPP. At the end of the day, constitution no clear. And answer no intended to go answer.
Chairman,
clear on what should be done.
Sure.
And now obi the best way say sure. And Sika could have said, "Man, it's now." And okay, I think say near Mukano, near si penny. Okay, near umpien kai enkwa, near Tuaba. Onkwa and onkwa so onkwa near Mashas new way. And Papa Naso no boni moas no pie. As I'm saying.
And you know, you or you ask me.
Why not? I said, "Get ya."
Oh, that was as my sister sorry.
Bacho, I didn't see. And now, a hoi Papa Public Gallery. Also, who know no create video no so te ho. Onko to no.
Yes.
Because on say baby amiti, mini chamber no mo to ba to be. And na no wo mo bia na akofra mu no, na mo ka so mpi because of nose mask. And e obi do kakra na nose mask na ohun a wan you betwa ho kra ohun no. Enti ompi ni ntu aba. Na en price MPP parliamentarian OPK. Person showman ni who say get no ne bob yenim front page near the other. And yeah, syndicate and it's one. How a public gallery? Who say minority from Kaka? How they a public gallery? And he has every right as a Ghanaian and as a to sit at KP. There was no substance for because what was the footing? What then na basis on the PA? Because I said get here at all. Because it is a water who I need PA. Are you gonna near and random across to public gallery? And I be obesoribo. Na say say the cry is repair. The base like a base.
So no because I'm Anton Toma Pamo so no kakra.
And on combo. Like I said, wo bibia. Just I dey see you no. Eh mo me so ni me. Who was it? And that's what came to see.
We are talking about the constitution.
I was building a point before say
no, but baby I said friend
I was building
yeah more information as a nya. Oh, Bagwin. Onye heavy because from 92 what's was all crying on your
majority leader.
That means see oh papa Mr. J or contractor on your new cry no chance on your contractor papa please
you are talking about experience.
I'm probably doing construction here but I think say no chance anymore you either accept or but you never get what's on your MCRB and then you begin to attack friends say Speaker of Parliament. Only partner now from 92. Was it Ekra? David. What's from 92? And because why you? But they were
in the excellent manner.
He's trying to demonstrate.
David Asamka, we are on air and people are listening to us, my brother.
But wait a minute.
No, he's trying to demonstrate what we did.
David, catch a ziggy say. On check on the money. Tell him something, man. No. What they can carry na yemebo. Can also one can yemebo.
No.
Chairman, but he's not perfect.
No.
Because
let's be fair to ourselves.
Obi Kasa no crazy. You rubbish it.
Let's be fair to ourselves.
Video no say one year sasa video no
well chairman na pa bisa about deputy anyhow Ochina probably elections you know as America and the constitution is clear. The first deputy speaker that Joseph Osei-Usu Jowais honorable the speaker Ochina and I think the speaker be call for about 3 weeks or so. On about could be 3 weeks or Dubai. I said, oh, you know, I say Joseph Joa is a speaker, and a speaker automatically the majority, you know, are shorted by one. I'm about 136, and if the independents, you know, I don't know, the second deputy, you know, decided to be joining the 136 now. Still, Nebabenya 137, 137.
That is
still
why
budget, you know.
I was saying, I stand to be corrected, but we don't assume with the constitution. I'm not supposed to assume, but Yenya name before
on video no, voice no. You play it for people.
Yenya. Oh, Chairman, I don't know.
No, there are some things you don't need.
Yeah, request you see, maybe na yeka different strokes for different people. Nkrofo ba hanayana interview me hold room na hold or they say Kevin nkrofo ba na yetimi ko twa na no ene Canada ayi ban you could tell boy
honorable secretary you could say oh
na ayi brew papa
honorable
eti wakasem who this so kan and he say wo mu ko twa ne mo video so never lie. Not guest tonight, and also yeah more no so
no problem.
I feel they was Obe producer and also Obe
so I'm making it clear. You know.
Oh, thank you very much. So on the or set me up. Or set me up.
You see, I was making a point earlier.
I said, Papa, no, what parliament from 92 and also parliament from 92.
Okoman Kasa. This question I have answered times with that number.
Because me say, Papa, no.
What parliament from 92?
Thank
no
you.
2 ways about that.
And unim nana on rubbish and say it doesn't make him perfect. No. And Kevin, did we ever say that he's a perfect man?
No.
When we talking about perfect, why
Kevin, you are not being fair.
Why you can as well be your father. You can as well be your uncle. You can as well be your
you also not being fair to me. For saying I'm not being fair to you. You
don't be fair to Kevin too. You don't be fair to everybody on this show today.
Let me try to build my point.
Okay, build your point.
Good. Now me fi baby, the can't I stand to be corrected. Bra okofa sa bye. I think ABI yenya expert to be actually more kakra because as I was watching and
but the constitution is clear.
No, I am talking about they maybe one coming into the side.
No. What is your problem about that? You see, you are making. You see, you are.
I am not making stance here. But
let me tell you what you're doing. No, let me tell you what you're doing. Let me tell you in plain terms. You are rather telling us your colors.
Oh, David.
Kevin, when you're parliamentarian, parliamentarian, Constitution gives us a certain description, a certain interpretation. When it gets worse, they'll go to Supreme Court. But Constitution crying, come back to Supreme Court. At the end of the day, or say, Papa ni niwa ni deputy nebeye. And because as deputy no anya krana say majority ni be him na say akwanya o e bi o mema neutral one no abetem say neutral na second deputy ye na be kire say o na obeye e no afiri mu ye problem kire person o ha say person don't make it look like say o ha ni say wo no be person no be o ha ni say wo
enye say me ha no
na obabe kan
to boss it's munya I'm going to say president. That is why I said I stand to be corrected.
I'm
correcting you. I'm correcting you.
You are showing your party color too much. So why is Bekwa kwa you? One you. Second deputy na be you. Who do I say my question answer china? Who cry bet now start say. You see, back me asma okay. Honorable honorable speakers man okay. Papa no he. Who start say o to. Then who start say o to nyampia man say, "Wa madi waters." And you started. Yeah. Mama can you namra. Who started say?
And say wow.
Kevin,
no, I didn't know.
Okay, so I say, Papa, ni onu huno ye hu, ni onu huno ye hu na then hu hunu say, Papa na madi waters. And I say okay, wa hunu nsu, o person say eye kasa ko kwasi, wa hunu nsu. The constitution is clear and what he did. If you are done contrary, they say also better say e be catch tie4 tie say, o spin it. So Papa na hunu nsu obey. You see, yes, sir. Not so.
No.
He wants to withdraw.
No, not that I want to withdraw. I was making a point. I didn't finish. Then No, I was making
a point. Okay, go see here, no. Any come out. What go see?
No, even coming in with say Papa na hunusuo no.
What can?
Mr. Baffour
probably will draw. If you are not going to draw that
I
particular
am not going
statement.
to withdraw the statement.
Okay, continue.
No. Argument. Your argument is very, very constructive.
I didn't finish making my point.
Fair enough. Continue.
I didn't finish making my point.
Whether you finish or you didn't finish.
But you are telling me.
You see, Ejumano Enyemrel Emami now be take you standard. That is your stand.
Oh, David.
I tell for any.
It hasn't gotten to that.
Hey, no. That is so.
He's trying to say.
You don't stand by your point.
He's trying to say, say, chairman say, one can hear,
let me take you off. And my can say, Onim, I would love to have you as a panel any day. No, Kevin, I would love. You see, but what you see. As a producer, over time will show you so. Now say you can't not back and forth. Now I don't think you'll be happy about it. Just because it is you are trying to take undue advantage of the host. You can't also say it is say me say as a host. It will be a ban and be a question. I think I would have hold the person, and you are giving me the support. And then I'll say, did you say I tell me can Maccabi was so manager where they were cut on so. Okay, say papa na hununsu ana I say for tie okay say papa hununsu ana hununsu enti me ka say the way I was starting I think say your posture wasn't the best one you can say I think so all from 92 and he knows the constitution I cry on your perfect that is one job number 2 ne me hunu mu de mu hunu okay then na wo hu you can share one and I say me hu say as papa na hununsu no na say wa hununsu wo so e kasa koa now you're not being fair. So I can't so now. And then constitution at 111 at 104 a certain interpretation. Professor Papana, and I think you had a certain stand. And once we're having a discussion before the show, you should make it know. Then you come and then this is a stop.
Chairman, can I come in? You see, Chairman, can I come in?
Oh,
I am
please.
stating emphatically on air that I have not taken stance with this issue.
No, Mr. Baffour. What's it, Papa? Oko 92. What about back? I confirm. I'm all from 92.
Mr. Baffour.
Which you could have done.
Chairman,
yes.
Chairman.
But you just rubbish it.
Well, I know na edits are back and forth. Say if I'm coming in, na me dikusia. Maybe you might understand me. So what's in there? It's Wadaroma, Chairman. Wadaroma.
That Kevin said. Let's move forward. You say be more disastrous. I'm telling you because we are now Obano. You see, I want to be a communicator.
Let's move forward.
And you are a communication student. I expect you to do a neutral argument and put it out there, and then allow the people to that divulge it. Anyway. More who you would have ended because first your dream say I found out what can use what they can even summon you to come to parliament.
He made a statement.
Muddy water, say muddy water, me what the constitution says what I did. But it doesn't make him perfect. When did I say I'm perfect? We colleagues are not close. No, did they say I'm perfect? So come and tell me what you see. And then one guy don't want the excitement and you'll be misguided and test. Say and let them feed you with whatever it is.
The message that came across. I said the host is being like emotional about. No. You see,
I am being emotional because we had a discussion off air. Say, when I said we were going to do a panel because I didn't cry in C. Yet here, so it's about bill. And I'm yes, Yanko Fru Biane. You're gonna form. We are above 18. You're talking about it decided. In the constitution, so you're school, yet me kind. Now, I one say, Copim say, rejecting a bekusi. Now, Supreme Court, and I say, yes, I'm part. You rejecting to discuss and reject the full bar. Nina naturally make a pencil for say, but I was like for headache. And I want to be precise. As you want to come 117 no, and we bet them. Yes, I work a cry. Oh, sorry. And to wait now, oh, show where you can cry. Was he? And never be or say.
am stating that I am not taking stance on this show.
By your actions,
but
your actions and your utterances and your delivery.
Mr. Baffour, Uti was the CIA. Maybe
LPM show ni so nana.
Uti was the CIA. Obi so bet me. I can say, hey, and the senior papa so okay, or no so taking.
We took the constitution.
No, we are quoting it.
And we are quoting the constitution. And any analyzing. Any very well. Kevin, unim. And look at you more. Was I just say? Okay, so can I say? Didn't you? I can say it's on or yet Spain any communicator. I say yes, yeah, but yes, yeah, but discussion and I say argument. Yeah, but I can say Kevin, let me swap. Obedo or tenancy or okay constitution or no crack of our beam. You know, I just say someone can say, yes, you want to bring a for and against and our best, but we didn't discuss that. We would have liked to bring the NDC here, NPP here, and then we had
I was
discussion.
saying something earlier on that.
Because I did a political career and then you're doomed.
You see, it can never be shut down.
Oh, yeah, do
it can never be shut down in this room. Let me make this one last point before we go.
We have politics question. When you goof, apologize, and then the people will see you as a serious person.
I think it's about apologizing.
No, I'm giving him another advice. I remember any politicians and Nancy. None wonder. Another who say, but me, vice can say,
keep close
manifesto. So sorry, my honey, sir. Maybe I ain't in your landing. So please, to be a nice gentleman. Maybe I'm Mr. M. say, Hanedy, where Obi Papa?
I think
I want to make
what's true actually.
I think you want to make a point. You want to make a point.
Obi Kofa constitution the year Juma 100 I bought 9:01 because I bought 1 minute after 9. And you know,
he wants to make a point.
Well confused.
You see,
make a point.
what I'm trying to say is that first, I have not taken stance any the marker, and secondly, weekend I may and I'm ready about this majority 4 year. I said in Katia telling them that no, OPK acted out of ignorance or nimiri and all those. You see, we are here, we are different people. We will think, we will assume, and the Obia would have his or her perspective about issues at Echo. Honestly, I was addressed. Excuse me. Now, Mary pense mu anase Mary chiremu on me point of view over the weekend. Stories here about na mishim up and down. Eti sabe me kan bibi wa ha na samanka ni ya.
Kevin, any apology no. Any apology no. Kevin.
You're making a statement. So don't make a statement.
Okay. Kevin, we need to show no bit.
Right.
Show no bit me. Show Kevin.
Right honorable speaker. To say me papa. And
which my offer.
Which my papa pension. So
which my lecturer.
Oh yes. Which my
ono papa abo fe praja. Omo ye pe me boa.
Eti se me ka bibi na mankan ya metwe sign. Metwe sign. Na mom ebia
nti ahunu so na sila o no
we dey very job Kevin
wo mi producer
obofo no besi ko obofo no be
for boy ye kitom de fe de o be yire mi na me yire wu bia
David you see time obofo no besi akọ so o say watna subrano if you share the asan watch
subrano
eti say wa to me men sign me home it way wa hunu so no so oh Kevin mami wie me say mark bibi wo hana man kan here the man can be my father but maybe ebiasame ende me
the perfect na can no why are they bro
which one are you apologizing
on say mark bibi wo show no
so what can say me bro
Kofi say me do your career to me for
that be say
no what to say apologize
I say enye ne kuma mu enye correct
oh
Debbie no okori say see
okori kwa Adam so no ye ne ho ye no yes ye no na show and answer ko Betrasi. Okori, Betrasi. Oh, you're gonna be back. What the 18 years?
Finally on my apology.
Finally on my apology. Oh yeah, finally on my apology.
It makes you a very fine gentleman.
Finally on my apology.
And your political career has been restored.
Honorable Speaker.
Honorable Speaker. I think he's my father.
Because an appointment one, papers moi. Papa Nkraka say, go and look, go through the newspapers and look at how I'm being insulted. Did you okay? You see where Ghana do baby because when he pay he feels that maybe he was opposed somehow. And into I'm say the constitution. To me, Tama Omi Bangwen, as some can say interesting times will be in there. Because on the council, deputy speaker,
that is why I was
minority leader, deputy.
And to have the rank and file were from one to house. And you see, Ghana, I did a say, I did a homework, not any. I saw who police near Sebi Ulibia, what Bibia Mano. And yet, but I am, I know. But and yet, and so be better IGP or by ye trying so. Please for now we didn't cry because he's trying to correct an abnormality. And then we be a with a soft glow, soft way. Now, okay, look at the parliament and now the best so far. There's no clear majority. Okay, and then there is a certain speaker of parliament coming from the minority who used to be part of the minority coming in with the government. And almost afena yenyi adenimwa yenya bibi foforo ye be sua novel bibi afrimu
na back to what I was saying.
Interesting times ahead. See what Ghana no, this is what they did. Until now our parliament is going to be an institutional as a model.
Even with them
from 7
and the question there
from 7
name boy say sebi ofo say anko yia oyinua. I think we don't have to go in there again.
Maybe another Kasa say a citizen one Kasa say
no.
You see,
now maybe on the band yan channel cutting and Kofi now fine
Major
o find out unia ho akadwa mu
question open was so question open I sending the message bro me say question Jai.
Who message you?
Ogori, assembly say. And go for show is what. Now person best we hold you to account. Hello, you can't spend on the show.
That is what Okoman.
We don't let take more than 500 pay now, but necessarily the way I make on the and then no, you papa shall sinche, you Dr. Pokun sinche. Na yen kasa, yen say look. My MP for Okoman finance personal because I don't know parliament. Almost your wajuma. You need hobby, but near where you win it. If you say and price MP, why not?
Yeah.
And now MP for us, no my confusion zero. And once so Mumpina Mudi so. Now, oh, shut the cry yet. Obiti me pakeka wanima. Na I'm so nyano. Na ebia what come. Me kasen be CH. Maybe na dusty tia and beso tia the way. Yaba afro no. Wa na security ba ko be ka share me say. Obi me pakeka wa chire wo. So yen kono yen mani kotu. Na Germany is yo. Teni yo. Germany is yo. Na gate now. That may be a gate be da ho a near 2 months. So pa ko me fa me si hobium. Ena minim ni pan bia na oyetri honam. Ena ebia na gate kwa beda no a adwuma say ya bi e man me park wa ye ni say but for now is wa ensi wa say car park ya ma staff e man ensi o say na dusty car say me wo minim emu wa na call mama ya ofi ye wo hwa na dusty ba ye mama ya o 2 me na me bani o manager me baba akuni o na am si ye ense me di secret na ti ko pamo no a enyama mienu oye asarenu enti obeka say car no mintu kira ye ne obeye rift aba yentem engu biem ko sise me fia ana say ode abere fitu a okay mintu na da bi obehia me hunu say me nipa hu bi akeke anka enfam apology am be ma papa no anka orenyi ntum na anka on fami se nua se ne no ne mete tidu ba bi a enya botre
true
ba bia se ne keti atem ye misa say anyi bia not plenary hobby ana
no.
Was any courtesy of a sort extended to him as a member of parliament? Or you saw my cognac? Or you saw a microphone?
No.
Or you saw my desk? No.
Manager.
These are things.
Are there not to one name impact? proceedings in any way.
Correct. It is better you don't even touch it. Let me tell you something. And everyone I person be can radio so because you post your photo card I go to work. They say, oh my correct. And everyone it is better you don't even touch it.
Yeah.
Now, me as a permission, I would have said certain things on this radio.
Yeah.
That people you don't touch them. When you touch them, you touch the people.
Yeah.
And the people's anger on you will be worse than you think it is. Tinipa tell the emperor wasema, o touch nipa bia, you touch the people's heart, their sensitivity, and at the end of the day, nipa more than near town a better war. Near one say me yeni say that people it's better you don't even touch them.
Yeah.
Open what I say.
Yeah, it's true.
I think it's here better now. Maybe came for agenda. Be our manager. You be over here in Saka. Maybe it's not my microphone. Say me to do be pa on tuntia we near. So you could have made a certain decision. Okay, we need. Your best friend say, "We can say we had na." Speaker said, "Please calm down, resume your seat, and let me know what your issues are, so that we can take it." Mokai. What just someone says and the moka speaker Israel. I said you can tell me tena or here. For no be cry or persevere. Na niji say obeto ama ya prove and cry who papa no cry ya machine nya ya best friend we the public gallery there ya gitum ma wo tu so say ebe ya anka on so kakra tu ya no so aba we could have done that way but showmanship and that messiah type of showmanship so you went there to do hooliganism. They voted for you to go and do hooliganism. Is that what it means? Everyone said but now Ebiana behind the scene no they are reproaching him na Ebiana yen come here wanya de crack na me so make me because me from price constituency or am MP what disappointed me what he did is very disappointment so my call floor when I'm there me call organize it stage workout ni every
Chairman maybe
every say okoya we are so okoya dey bia me no akose wasem kra o he ne correct no hu writer bia na e wo ho no
yeah.
I'll be
really right up.
But I will let you read it loud. And okaya na entisa akra ya mana atisa. Sentisa o ya mani portrait na mana ese entisa. Let me see if I can find that right up. I think it should be here.
Ebi akra na general be kra no. Aba so ba be se mabufu na mapuye. Na minority.
O the agenda never ya. Mama nanya.
General is a smart politician.
Why go so be no in aiding common? Ubu for a so me go so in common. Say hope is adwa ho na in common. Ka over phone to ho na to ho be na in common. Who go sim bo so no be common bo. Kono mo in common eh.
Radio.
We are there. Aha, adnini. Opening. One Amos Blessing Amos Netroye. This is OPK, MP from Price. He is a first timer. He is unlearning the rules of the house. OPK is a known alarm boy. He is not one of Akufo-Addo's favorites. OPK has been looking for opportunity to worm his way into Akufo-Addo's heart. He wants to be accepted in order for him to have a smooth sailing in his second term bid. It continues. But Akufo-Addo and his group have made up their mind they cannot trust OPK because of his long-standing Alan lineage. In fact, because of Akufo-Addo want him out of parliament. That is an alleged write-up. Interesting. That's why we are reading it. Want him out of parliament. The then incumbent MP OPK defeated in the primaries as Eastern Regional Minister. In fact, because Akufo-Addo want him out of parliament, after his first term, he appointed Sede Champon, the then incumbent MP OPK defeated in primaries as Eastern Regional Minister. The appointment of Sede Champon came as a surprise to a lot of people because Akufo-Addo made it clear before appointment of his ministers that all MPs who lost their primaries and seats will not get ministerial appointments. Despite this rule, he appointed Seth. There were rumors that he appointed Seth, the regional minister, in order for him to pool resources and stage a comeback to remove OPK. That's what the person alleging here.
Yeah, sure.
OPK knows about plans to remove him. He has been looking for opportunity to have his breakthrough for Akufo-Addo to accept him. At the approval of the budget yesterday, OPK wanted to be the poster boy of the night from the MPP side. He wanted to be the talk of town as a man who fought for Akufo-Addo's budget to be approved. This was what he did. When the speaker relied on an order to instruct that all non-MPs will leave the chamber, OPK ignorantly started jumping in the chamber. shouting and banging tables that the Senate Ketia should also be made to leave the public gallery. He even turned on one of the mics, introduced himself as MP from Priso, and threatened that if a Senate Ketia was not made to leave the public gallery, nothing was going to happen. From here, you could tell OPK at the time he issued that ignorant threat, he had not read the particular standing order to know that it talked about non-MPs in the chamber and not public gallery. For very strange reasons, MPs who knew OPK was blowing Nomfa into quotes acquiesced to his orders for them to walk out of the chamber or boycott sitting. At the moment, OPK was proud to have achieved his aim of succeeding with his poster boy of the night ambition. This was, however, short-lived, as it has turned out that his action has caused MPP and Akufo-Addo's government the biggest calamity ever to have rocked governments. The government budget was rejected. Now, who caused them? OPK's ignorance of the order of the House caused it. Now, instead of seeking to appease Akufo-Addo and his team, he has rather worsened his case. Instead of MPP members praising him for fighting gallantly to have the budget passed, he is being accused of causing the rejection of the budget. OPK needs our help in prayers. He is going through a lot. He's not a happy man. It comes with OPK's photograph over here. So that's what somebody.
Very fine,
that's somebody's opinion is. When enters Accra, oh yeah, Mobia cassette is sure. Enters Obi a ball now so Kopanwanya Okuwa when you asem. Sebi so be sebi. Etagus now so kotek one we yokoja na egu so. Enti me na nankro for 3% for Jeff wa ha on fan chemi. O say wo pre now this second pre ne pre and a second year sick and then a pre sick into pre this second now a proper sick. Ghana for enti Kofi how big a crowd fast no me chrome MP
Major Zazumwe ya show
debut say TNA meeting na ebia Obia onye executive member, onye management member. Sorry, hey, staff, na
Pabisa question. What's the majority leader? Majority chief whip.
What are they? No way.
That's my friend.
Come on.
Now, to me, back when the bar, Brent anymore, pay free. Okay, first time I watch it. Timmy Fletch, you'll be getting back. So microphone. Dex be when more Kasa, this about OPK and the member from Price. Hey, and I'm the general manager for Okoman Radio. I see the microphone is the general manager of Okoman Radio.
Yeah, so
these
two questions.
Yes, cause a mess to the government.
This particular question I have been asking myself. Me share a video no it's not
like I can go to my and I was I'm can cancel the manager.
Oh, me the message me the brief him.
Kofi Kore head of where you are now D. Hey, and I am for posting.
Oh, there.
Ghana have posted your Kofi.
I more consistency. On Columbia or
only post.
Only post to be
Constitution.
Carlos. Senior. Carlos. Ahenkra. So no Okofa. What who senior Carlos? Then Okofa. He was the man of the day.
And that was why he did the one.
So maybe he wanted to be the face.
Wasn't the one you are
but I said something. Said this current parliament, we are learning a lot.
Yes.
And I think this is what we need. Because to Obama and parliament. But honestly, what's in China? There are people, different countries that are learning from us.
Yes, from Mummy Papa, I know MPP na anti Yametina. Yes, all my idea, some PM. Parliament and honorable, the word honorable. Opanote as a Timoko told me when you say, Sebu, nice and malicious obedience. The honorable Mamma Cranania come. And so, as I was here.
Chairman, maybe I'm a
reconstitution, hope you 104 and 111.
But Chairman 104, Article 104, Clause 1, as a voting in Parliament, as a except as otherwise provided in this Constitution, matters in Parliament shall be determined by the vote of the majority of members present and voting, with at least half of all the members of Parliament present. 2. The Speaker shall neither an original nor casting vote. Okay, the Chairman, I need one. But 3, where the votes on any motion are equal, it shall be taken to the lost. 4. When Parliament is considering a bill to amend the Constitution or where the voting is in relation to the election or removal of any person under this Constitution or under any other law, voting shall be in secret. You know, John Akanya talks about secrecy of legislative votes now there. But one, I'm making it clear. Except as otherwise provided in this Constitution, matters in Parliament shall be determined by the votes of majority members present and voting, with at least half of all members of Parliament present. And you know, German, I think that whatever the minority group was in accordance with the Constitution, and whatever the Speaker of Parliament.
There are times like I said, you will be forced to play nonsense.
Sure.
And if somebody that also where you
and the news that minority group news that they had the numbers 137. It will get we can still
get the half of the house and then take a decision.
Yes, I remember in the 7th Parliament where I'm a minority, that's the opposition, one boy got here, and a majority no numbers, They had a number about 160 something.
My question can 111 in mind.
111.
Okoman Radio.
We don't want you. 111.
See. 111. So I take the article 111 of the Constitution. Attendance in Parliament of Vice Presidents and Ministers. I read. The Vice President or a minister or deputy minister who is not a member of Parliament shall be entitled to participate in the proceedings of Parliament and shall be accorded all the privileges of the member of Parliament, except that he is not entitled to vote or to hold an office in Parliament.
Okoman Radio.
Near Article 111 of Ghana Amamrano, can say
1992.
1992. Amamra afe apemahan kron eduo kron ebien.
What's it then?
O say etifia asem ni say etifia asem ni say se omampanyin abedi ekire anase asoafo ereba
anase asoafo abedi ekire bi ba
anase asoafo abedi ekire ereba emra sebedwam a emra ekikire won anase nia ebo wo ho ban no ho asem ni o say se mra sebedwani debi se osoafo anase osoafo abedi ekire anase mampanyin abedi ekire ebedu mra sebedwa fi ho no ma ewo se yetimidi obu ni nidia ese fata
na sebedwafo ne bi ma no
sa pepepe eti se yehu won se won so wo ye mra sebedwafo in a way se
debi enkose asem no
o men se no
enema hodo aya mra sebedwafo nidie ene akwanya bi won yefa bi ma wo mu fi
sa eti na American se eti se yehu won sa
wo mu mra sebedwafo enkofa no mam Kwesi Debbie or say one can say they should be seen as members and you say they should be seen as please
that is a direct translation
or say Kevin clear or say they must be accorded the privilege. He never meant say they must be seen as it is not there. Or say need die any akwanya biara
say
na shebedwafo wo fi hon on fa bi
mo
ebi ni say kai bo betra kwata na shebedwafo akonya so kwanya bi so omtena microphone and so use desk yes do to se bibia akonya bi wo no fa bi ema wo nti kwan ko fa akonya foforo bi metena say baba ye ba bi tena wo ho na yes ane ma nyina omutimi kasa oh my lord Mr. Speaker Deben
fans you cry ya bi ne dem
ye nyina pepe na oso mu wi a edu abato dia omni akwanya se ndo omo ehiem it was clear on that one and na 111 ka no Mr. Corey we be 102 a kan 102 ni mami
Okoman Radio
Basho 102 no a quorum in parliament. And also a quorum of parliament, apart from the person presiding, shall be 1/3 of all the members of parliament.
But because we bet him because I didn't change him the back home. What's the day?
Oh, na na mi mwe her friend
Research a quorum in parliament, apart from the person presiding, shall be 1/3 of all the members of parliament.
What's it mean? Okay.
Ochiana Yatino.
Oh, there be one who said,
oh,
okay. Near quorum, no one has a quorum, the entire quorum, Kakra. So, Yaka say, ya forming a quorum, yeah. She say, ya wahey, na se dodoa yeri shiem, and I say meeting be near shia. Dodoa abba, ya wadodoa bebia, yasha so digina, a day meeting, you know.
You only padodo a onomo ewo ho a etimi gina so de meeting
sa pen and pese meka aha eti eno na ye kan quorum enti ye komra se begwa mu nso a aha ebi wo ho sa na nia amamra no kan se semra se begwafo ni hia na se 1/3 of their number ahamunchemu da bi enya ahamunchemu
ye miensa Nemu baako ewo ho a adwuma di biara ese wodi wo fie ho no okwanda ho se wodi nso a wonyina so
wodi nso
ena o se
eno no wa ha
eno de se kwasi ti nyamtre ena o se ne ote agwam na okasa ne de onka ho mewa ente yenya 275 divided by 3 kebe mu nya 91 Entina nipa ofi ono mo ye ahin
nipa ya rejected budget na
270
labi also nipa rejected budget na wa ya
137
enti eburu 91 no enti atra that 1/3 quorum no kra o ma form quorum no kra bro so e na oba 104 no so a kan 104 na chechiri man
105 wa have
Okoman Radio
104.
Oh, my main kind of here. Oh, yeah, it's a bit measured to me.
Okay.
Not German, and a very fair anyway.
Question did not. Question
there be a friend of mine now.
I feel a man job by also. So, we always have a second rather than you.
That's also of Okoji, your friend.
Sex on the point. We have a challenge. We have a challenge. We have a challenge. Sorry. Uno be na teacher. I was say uno dipa. Me friend kwesi ampa na about 7 after 7. Ne voice na me mpe. Me say bia oyare ana say enrokobo premai. Enema too seriously. And I will say I feel no fifi because usually you will be here before 7. I'm so okay. Pick me up at this particular location. And he obey. Until ne kasa nyina am say others wa nantem. Kobo premai. Body na bracing or cano. Enti de say Kelvin Akai.
Oh, that day, a ball.
Sex on the beach.
Someone
na air punch. Me so maybe a kitra.
Punch and
puncher. A yensa a lazy with a certain way. And not time someone on alcohol. I'm not against it. Alcohol abuse and a bunny. And to say kakra zam na ja when say who are you na and run ko there da
punch and so many meaning say
and the word it is laced with alcohol or needs something to kick us hey what you can corner Kevin
why is Joe attacking me
why you supposed to be attacking me
attacking me
na boy me twetwe my dream brother ma so because
okay so
I had show no unim say ye ni aguri ye ni aguri wa
but
ye be yiro
kwa me duru mi wa hado
o de me nu what about kind of make
una obi na be na Manjam that's passé.
And
then Uabana obese o chifo.
And then panel member.
And
I'm still the producer on the show.
What's
the
police who guys watch us or arrest us? Why
what you say to me?
Okay, yeah, you
Nanaya Wampo you so chiao.
Yeah.
They need Jesenia show no.
They say yes to Bobby. We are going to apprentice or your buses or your buses. Utu ya cratch, Korea cratch, be a cratch. And I'm why I bet him. Not your phone, I'll be a phone as I'm some friend.
Oh, yeah. Mobile money as we open phantom.
You
will get people to talk about it. Yes, we'll get
Into on the
I'm coming because
so voting in parliament, that is the 1992 constitution article 104.
Oh, the beef.
Support no the amount behind
support. Okay. Except as otherwise provided in this constitution, matters in parliament that shall be determined by the votes.
Macquarie can Kofi come and so or you know no I think we no struggle with the reading and no can say Korea can on nchim wo teacher ni ba wo kan bro for come on friend kan no kwase nchim teacher no man teacher kokko ana go for teacher kokko ba no o go fu ni ke kan ni ko but no ni ko man dem timi tirimu o ga so man teacher kokko dem timi da kan yeti o teacher kokko ba kan na contractor je ba nchechiri
but okay also voting in parliament article 104 except as otherwise provided in this constitution, matters in parliament shall be determined by the votes of the majority of members present and then voting. With at least half of all the members of parliament present. I take it again. Except as otherwise provided in this constitution, matters in parliament shall be determined by the votes of the majority of members present.
Article no. Iti yemfa no kakra.
Okay. Kwasi
article say
correct kan en ko ni jakwesi aje no kwasi obetu yugu.
That
kwasi there's only moderator na
say show only moderator. Me 5 points e wo ho.
Correct.
So what you say? Iti akayefa.
We are talking about Onorekan 1041 no.
104 yeah.
Iti akamechre say yefa 1 na yejujwamu kakra.
We are not a friend saying constitutional lawyers. Ni enimu na okan wi a layman's view. Thank you. Omuko approve of sidien. You better go for expert but na dey ye in have go say okore kan.
But okay, one. Except as otherwise provided in this constitution.
Kevin, when you are so say you obebu epra. Senior on the same bedroom.
Oh, David.
I could tell my love for
except as otherwise provided in this constitution.
I found the nearby also. When there is a friend also.
In this constitution, matters in parliament shall be determined by the votes of the majority of members present and voting. Present and voting. With at least half of all the members of parliament present. And here one. The speaker shall have neither an original nor casting vote. And here two. 3. Where the votes on any motion are equal, it shall be taken to be lost. 4. Where parliament is considering a bill to amend the constitution, or where the voting is in relation to the election or removal of any person under this constitution or under any other law, voting shall be in secret. The last one. A member who is a party to or a partner in a firm which is party to a contract with the government shall declare his interest and shall not vote on any question relating to the contract.
Thank you.
That is
it. Kwesi wadaroma cheche mai I 300 kra I'm not interested
where the votes on any motion are equal, it shall be taken to be lost.
Enti fane say omukoto abekwa na 107 ekoba ya lost empire anya equal
say applied but encounter
na o say lost just say asem no dey see one lose to those who were for and those who are against for no lost that say omumpene ena o maye for no say aden yan fanko ye to ya apai e che say Maluzu.
Yeah, one no.
Mustando no.
You
see,
when the
interestingly, I didn't lobby, but I didn't go to a package car.
Yes,
I think
137.
Yes.
And then there is a lot.
That is why finance minister Ebafio.
Because you see, interestingly, say, see a traha near to a banapa 137 a lost. It's I conclude so
let's walk
they are
out.
rejected. Let's walk out and not participate and then come back again.
And then lobby.
All you know, OPK was made to do that to allow them out.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day,
So
we can come back.
Why,
we can relaunch.
Majority were friend then.
We can relaunch.
leader. No.
And so acting.
They needed somebody.
They
Just
had
like
also
you
had a
that.
plan. Yeah.
Do that. Man, I also make you my house. You do a me you ama. Wow. Enti, yeah, kasi you just anya do because so yeah, their pastor just ask me to ato no so. And all you know, he did a human job for the party.
Yeah, for the party. Yeah.
Interestingly. Kwasi,
Chairman.
Macho say
Chairman.
Macho say
Now,
If you are sitting behind that, Sanya Mayina unim, and then during Anopa we are Minkan constitution leader. To be honest with you,
yeah, we want Bibi
Bibi kakra biya ye kan.
Presec at the same day.
Ama atwe ma adwene akwa akosi Bibi foforo so. Say
Manakonye kache.
So in one instance, he could be right for doing what
they did.
And then in other instances, no. So certain people are also saying that no, yes, uncle, yes, sir.
Because there are times in a team, you will be an manipulate.
Role, yeah.
What is it? At the end of the day, something must be done. Somebody must strike something.
Yeah.
Okay, unim. Please if we are now, please if we go phone.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, almost say, yet not near to a bear.
Yeah.
I didn't see.
Yeah.
Impy. Any young particular buyer, okay. Kikri in a corner, yes, I'm a tour. By which time, maybe a consultation. And they go see. I say a tour about assembly here at MCDC. Obenya ni pabi on beja they wouldn't care what
they wouldn't vote.
And Yakoba, you know, now no to use what by or the say speakers what by say a be free baby be to gum.
Oh yeah.
Emma on point papa because of the tree. And you never say they say no 117 no almost 2 year pet adjumancy. And I will only yeah to me lose ye only use articles on the constitution of the year. And to some extent valid. To some extent, you can fight it. You might say, I'm rebel, don't be a name about Kubiamano. Trasa could die by Kubine. If you need to talk that baby, I mean, it's possible. I
was so interested in finance minister. Kevin, sorry, my fancy. I was so interested in finance minister and no Babeka. I was eager to assemble in a papa Babeka or say, message in an announcement.
Because where do I be around that things I was a tremor that way. Yes, a pahua that way. At this material time, we're sequence now, Yakikaya. Say, Madi, and some commercial and say, oh man, Charlie, baby, I didn't do no. We need to get the thing true. We need to get the thing true. And now, it's where me try to make a bit that instance, me remember woman say, I do it, it must be done. And it is timely. Why a time bound? You can bring it back. I know what I say. I think they had to hang on to something. And in the worst case scenario, we are planning or trigger away, or trigger pay, we move. Because there's no way a whole HMS majority leader on your crap. Yeah. Can Japan money for your markings? Katie Hammond, then they say we walk out. They knew what they were doing.
Yeah, they knew what to do.
And the other way, a boy to super to abana boy to some any more and say, any baby mama, at 2 9 years.
Also, a better man for your grand.
Someone say, Uncle, or 2 Abanos, I was thinking about it. Or 2 Abanos, the majority group, no, they have the numbers. As in 130 with a independent
how sure
person.
Are you?
How sure are you? Already when you were because of what happened in January. Because you have a year say you're 138. We are independent. No, example, lose 2 votes. It's a inukrasi. Your contract is okay. You want it. I'm going to go to.
Nena kwese je. Hana kwese je point na bom. But the preamble de be na na penny stop it no. It's okay. I could see say speaker and him so too kwan. My any say we. In the parliament no. Echo the next agenda we need Tuesday. Miniha with or without me, parliament must function. Certain people must sit in and moderate and let things happen. But and then maybe I'm say to me, but to what the speaker did constitutionally, he was right. What he did per the constitution. So we and instance be about from President Baffour time. There was a time we crack MPP crowd boycott to parliament. Anyway, look, PR per the dictate in the parliament must function.
Yeah.
Until PR, now I say constitutional. There's only one thing Emma provision grievances. Say me raho. JB2 say press say losing raho. Into constitution say we be reho. Mo fan ko commercial bank. Near money scar. And then for careful quiet. I'm call Mr. Meku say JB raho. Constitution doesn't make any provision on grievances. Oh, open the cause ubufu am ubufu. Ubesu asu. Constitution no eke you want.
Say that about to say we didn't be dim come. Now so obuafu now.
Kono mu dim come there. How can so classic kasa do pie kura conference am kono wa. Aju awon wan kasa phone to. Yeah, afi dey. Enti ebini. Ohun. E clear case say but na ken na some strategy. Enti yen bet na chire kura ahoro opike duana adwuma yema na wo so kana japo betwa ka se enko na speak ayi majority ka se enko asa na nyaka ane but we dey aka ma no nim no ye ne so ne aye
me pacho me pese ye hwe bibi wo the standing orders are ye issue of parliament. We can get it on our page right now. Order 104 semena mi nya me ho ntia sia order 104 Mediato.
Okoman Radio.
Okay. According to who?
You are standing orders in
yes, standing order 104.
Okay.
Mr. Jeff Mediama.
Okoman Radio.
Okay.
Another member of parliament.
Oh, now you are a father cast because
voting in parliament.
Voting in parliament. Order 104. According to
and you're reading.
104.
Yeah.
Oh, is it the same thing?
It's the same thing.
No. Yeah, we be other than that question.
I was reading it.
My French check say ma yeni aba mother. Ma me chia mother. Yeni aba mother. Boatman na do na from Kate Boatman or Ghana Commercial Bank, GCB Bank or Akropon. We can na near brepa na em so ye NC na near brepa.
Na no so wa chata.
Kwasi tobona nti kwasi say host ni kasa ma ni kasa me no aje metra na metra baby antene
Okoman Radio.
Oni ma won so still ente Kate Boatma, a very good morning to you and congratulations for achieving that very feat. Why are they what anim oba bisia na wetimi akọ anim na we chartered banker na oho a itima bobil ente nyakopon koso a ema wo ensa high na akọ anim ate enya nwa wase dama bia no nyankopon pagya beba na so branch manager e wo GCB bank ba bi ebebam na ma be kama ma why na no so na wanya yenti eno so yama no hyeden pa yakọ bank odi na ese chia bank adwumefo ni nyina na yewese no motie yenu Tony a loan officer loan upe loan ukọ Tony ho a be mo advice no ha no abo ma na ma ko kama the amount Tony and about kan e chia Mr. Mreku na manager at the GCB bank Akropon branch. Yenu aba abena ko nana I was saying
nana mama
kwa echiao hana so ho hana echiao and just a better adwumefo nya dana labi anopai commercial bank for mo Akropon e ma nyina chi kwasi na oka bibi
na ni ameka ne say yenhwe bibi wo the standing orders they different from the constitution
and kind say what be a kind
okori bacho kan ba
kwasi what be a kind for no ko be what be a kind
okay so vote of consensus and removal the house may pass a resolution
for any for the
okay the house may pass a resolution to remove the president, the vice president, Mr. Speaker or Deputy Speaker, and vote of
no confidence. Vote of the
vote of censure. Am I right if I'm right? Yeah. On a minister of state, the House may consider such resolution and come to a decision to refer it to a committee on a motion.
Because we are confusing us. We won't go further. Unim was it to remove? A friend is saying to vote for removal. And also can say omoko vote to akoyi obi our office is a speaker, president instead of impeachment. They said they should vote in secrecy. And not the other say se omokoyi obi every ni position. Yeah, can see you can afford to say on your finance minister bill. Was that the case? There was nothing to initiate. Bibi said this is being removed from. Kwesi, the issue and when don't confuse us. Honestly, was it what over baby now? When somebody is being removed from his office as a vice, as a president, as a minister, they should even vote in secret on my clear instructions. And now Baha was it say you removing obia. Removing is to take the person off his position of the office. Where the anya say was it a 12 p and yet you remove you started a certain process like they started with Trump impeachment process and yet impeach and yet to remove from office and don't let us go there because to what so okay MP no I am confused here as well. Say obani yamana kwaba yama Jeff kwaba Jeff yamwa kwaba
yeah
today I know your blood is blue.
Oh yes, blood in there to always be blue. Me
it's a tradition in the family. You told me.
Yeah. Me blue blood, and then yes say there's presec in Ghana. I'm you create opinion de me a presby. Presby to when film phrase or bomb me so presby or confirm me more presby. Someone who's okay man still a presby into film phrase right up to
but maybe I want you there. Sabanaka, a piece about Kankabako piece.
So I can in full blue. So I say, it's a Legon crown, you say, young emblem, no a blue. The blue need it. Yes, it's Chelsea, and I'm supported, but full blue. Oh, say,
you're bad games, and you're not bad games. Now, I don't pay about Cody. Weekend, Musenia Manko Yama from Friday.
You know, better also 7.
Now, apart from 7 o'clock, there was a certain trend by non-person who called Bribium just a prempe bank. I before call. The command documents. I thought I'm going to receive no money says, but as I called from someone
who said during the contest, young tablet in the core of Binia, the controversy, but we didn't want to make a big deal out of it. And next year will be so it's a back-to-back finals. Next year. Yeah, next year we'll be back, and next year we are coming.
I think with Presec, my man I show interest.
Yeah,
to true penalty.
Yeah,
them I require say Yamabo dia mamboy and if I koto.
No problem.
On free as here and free.
Oh, rescue where no and the spirit of the spirit of presby will dawn on him, and then he will know say this is the right way to go. So he said when say who are preseka when you're in the school you are called a Christian gentleman.
Wow.
It is a we are now.
Oko a year for audition. Oko a year for audition. Oko a for audition.
It we are percent and nafi what the or that year cloak no.
Asho.
Yeah, no I what be your daddy. So or that year no a tree. Secretary na we planting wo Odumase crop no say school ni start wo Odumase crop it's or that year tree na gusu si hosisi ya
wow
so internet say ye gina ho painting to say
ma take kwasa mo anniversary usually mo try call Odumase na moba
ye ko visit or that year tree no so at as a spirit of presec
e ko baby am free baby am chi free
yes
mo ko adan ni bi wo ho anase ni nyina bubu
oh ebi wo ho just say they are not in so good a shape, but
but Kasane na say honorable branch champion musi dying for his upon come preserve one Kenya background.
Yeah, it's in the works. It's in the works. You have present. We say can na young girls school ne Krobo girls.
Yeah.
But you movie fee hona ye ba enkran
and
you share people no so and you who hang be what people no so. Oh, so we walked towards hang no.
And that I Okoman for Robo girls ni found I be kufu
one girls wo school mo ha
oh e be ko
one school mo
omo ko aye
obi mi so ba sanai
question say Fanfare na say bi mitimi ko hye benkum. Very I or the say budget in say say watia na wabeto so.
Budget in say I think say me information on it be scanty. We say time as I win ko na ye ni around na say shoe fabric na ye dey
what ya wo ya. I say about Ethiopia on come na ka be kire wo mo. Uso ko yempia sa. Na enye sa na amu akwa ba ye. Na no adana Jeff operations manager, resources, everything. Papa, edna ni chire Ethiopia, Addis Ababa. Okamun semwa. Makokro numbat manya kwenchin say no nuchi me transit. Na osi V8 no okwe ohunu dodo say.
V8 me kan me hu 6.
Ewo krom ho.
Eno kra no na ye one ambassadorial enclave on baby embassies ni ade no wono. You
doesn't say be embassies ni bi kwa de.
Embassies na yo.
Na ekrom a V8 na mo hwen just hu ma akoma kunsia.
Yo me hu Benz 2, Range Rover 3. So we share the average Ethiopian one lifestyle. So they are very modest people. So workers will be a modest who say ni American will treat more.
And so you'll be a bro who asia on ye or for you rom who asia on back from cry
for you to say the most common car will be who or here Toyota Vitz.
Yeah, I say ayi Vena
and will be chrome pan usually and what drive you around. Or shall one public transport no so juma. It really works. And basically no say when say Ethiopia I need the biggest shoe hub on the African continent. Say you can empower and one away serious industrialized and making shoes. I think say they are the leading way into no na who here say say yako ni yako she yehu senior record na yenso yeba na yede beka yenim dia yenya wa ha ne ho into no it was a very fruitful trip.
Wow. Now omunua ne sem to say.
Oh, it's basically Ethiopia for Wopenam. Pa one aduan is basically made of meat. But the thing about
onye cattle no.
The thing about one nam ne say one man is very tender. Say what I am real. Into one nam red and a spice yeah one will make it just a spicy cucum. Into the pop. Just say to say what your wedding we'll say na be kwa story so for be kasa be 3-4 hours answer you do reception as your home so kasa answer you didi one yes sir. What started ceremony now within 10-15 minutes one of the Orthodox priests babe bompai is here na say bompai yeah na ye didi into ye didi na ye enjoy na program na so koso they need nkwa.
Wow.
So they are very good people.
There we are when I edge for more a year chronos one year but more than an inch on the Kobe because I am fan because I test was about to see Kofi Kebie do papa na need the was it the one who pass the and now who pass one I can say is obra you know because John Swain best ever program watching live from Temakpon. And I thank you very much. And I am for you was good morning, comrades. Please tell Pakwesi that no matter what the case is, what is wrong cannot be made right. We should be objective and urge our MPs portray the reverence we are called them. Some of them don't deserve to be there. And I'm for you. Yes, once Joe White sits as speaker, he loses the right to vote as MP. MP, which brings the vote to 137. Things are simply complicated for the ruling party. Obed Mario Mendes Consola, watching you live from Abosokai, Accra. Kwa do or say good morning, Okoman, and then also Yansakan. And Jeff, my father come in trouble now. Or say, I have pen you may come up, Nana. Nana vibes. Or bet you Nana vibes. Nana vibes. I can't the swag be the country konyano. Or say of a chow. Konyano de a home user a chow. The one yet day. Or Johnny Kalu. Who can say Jao can copy that if you could hear? Ah? Could you copy that with you on there? Nanaja be ready in style.
So say I'm a INT vibes and Michelle Kroma no my DJ Crunting he know say make up and near my shit say me pa too.
And if I happy entertainment light and sound system and if I was here mama chimis I say mon promo today na oh yeah wedding float and I say oh yeah jumaji biara obe here canopy nkoma and the sound system lighter Mr. and furniture baby I can name na ye nam temane krane kofrodi na de dabi we de yan try that so ya e wo manfi enu Kofi to other room Kofi anopai me ma wache e won komo Kofi ma mintonka ena ene o kire se o de bibia ba e monomono na Kofi wo kwa he na wo bo suit ni ados me ko Canada no fa America ados me ko fa niema Kofi enti ampo de be ko hwe niema ya ne pa kwasie e ko fefi niema made in Canada made in Ontario made in what ene niema papa Kofi to de aba o de ye obi aba no hwe niema na obobon sa 1000 na o de ko 2000 won so e premani san no so ne team two test na bibia ko kama canopy kama nkonwa kama adia manage Kofi ehokra ni stage na nse me kire mu na nkrofobia rally na mo kasa tutu mo 9 ne ade mati abon samso na edafom ene na asemaba me pache Kofi to de na de kama ai ne odi aba eboa bomodia fo ne kire ye manfi everflow susu no enchen wa ni nchen ma na Kofi bo frempani e wo 0275 042594 0275 042594 0540790012 0540790012 na ene panini komo you like pap so ho ene wokwa ene uji waduane ewie lunch ono dofo na moje enwom na ensuo emuadwo enwom papa ensapanie aduane pani na muso moji mani anesa Kofi sa mefa ento omanfo anim se opermanente no mo yadwuma ya brante du huni ubu hu sebe onye basabasa bomodin afo ne kire Kofi tu ho na omwao no mo adwuma de binye na bibia ntimi nko kama emfa emao eno ena Kofi se memo aso entie peace bonzori anapai Mr. Perry yamwache umpomo today Mr. Perry today umpomo today ni so hu ye mi eni komo yete unkache ya adwuma ekoso kama de yenim se Okoman kan de omanfo agye atum sanse wusuku no ena nkrofo agye atum a free 4 months to basic 5 eno bia agye atum enei wadaroma teacher foi udo be go bebre ebi kwanya class nko kira de teacher foi mienu ebi bochire edom ena akwa security tight ya tum hwe swimming pool ne niam papa yi ya tum se ne abre pa se obai so obeboa amokwa befo nkwada anya enhoma suane tete ayese efata mama de afo ne kire ho na opadwuma yenso e ma binye teacher ni ye obas e be fa nkwada de o makọ teaching and learning materials ye abuso kwada ne kura ehunu no mfa nye mama de afo ne kire hostel kwan so ochia otia tra shoe fabric na ko animpe Impressive Colors Hotel opposite ene e papa ne bohoyi na ene ni kodin kita ho Frezo 505 829 261 0200 177 676 0279 267 523 Anapai F2 Bridal Collections at Aroma Osienka Osobeye Wedding in Tete Bibia Opibia Obi Bridal Fun Bridal Boutique or Fascinator Bided Deco or Cake Obetimi and kama Snow so any bia color bia ope netintin open a 2 tier 1 tier 1 you know be the amount brother sister hodo or rapport gifter any da was yes and any gele any nema hodo nyina oyebi ewo ho ai betimi aboa ma wedding aye enkankro aye krabehwe any enu ba no ese identity aba odite emabun no so ya baba wa ya brantie wa wie school utifie onya hwe abra na onhwe na amount tie sanse oye edia ma enkrafoi efri December 11th December so be simi ne dey to do back no identity e ma e born da form 100 Ghana ya materials ni one certificate na uba udi kan tua emu 50 na yahwe na ye no eto aso di dwuma na no o se men ka o se uba ho so oye printing otwa photo ni nyina e wo ho a wo kwa passport photo ni ade obetwa bi di amaw na printing ahodo binding ni nyina poster oye bi wo ho na okwa se nyuma nyina ye nua bia no na oye we nyina pomodia friend 0595 273 783 0595 273 Mandela Market opposite ukwa one Akwe Castro ni store no na edi animhwe ewo eho anapa emika o se dwumadi awudi bia ya sorry we company school restaurant ne pub Wadaroma hotel institution bia wa ha pomodia fa woni amabra ne mo the Roma sanse ene Okoman ene etie ne ombeka no ene ekọ pomodia abra ne enye hu the ro emo the ro nye hu dede emfa ma no manfo hunu ne yawo ye no fo ho emehye mu bie Fraser 246 435565 0246 435565 0266 200 222 0266 200 222 Don Pablo maybe I can find there Don Pablo and then I say there when you find near G shake eja Christopher you be a one Brazil you be a yin akoji sex on the beach akoji bibi yakwa near G shake banana shake mango shake carrot shake you be the abobo ni aje and kwesi shake also me sex on the beach say eno ye den yo Kevin ko kan ye Dr. Kevin minim kwesi aya ko try no so bi na kama na nipadua ne nya nwando ahodo aya ohia no ye de bia na punch kwesi ne also ba ne nyina no hwe o virgin snow white on the virgin snow white shake na ye so ye virgin obabu bebra bo fe 10 ani age 10 ani age koda ko jino se mame sex on the beach o ti akropon beach ni ha na o ko na akono mana Kevin asemo uni also kono sex on the beach na no akrofo ba express of course woman sex on the beach ese pacho me yakwada me nyi afia na no enti
wanyi wi
yana so me pacho mame ne kama ene ohwehwe vanilla ni ade me gem kwatena nchen hona vibes waje club aro okodi de to sian no dia ko otua san we dia akodi
no offer
akodi akogwa
so say no offer
ana because okodi akonwa to sian san we no dia kwa himfie ho
so usia offer na
no offer bi winsa
o da bi say ni o say okoto no ya no do be di no so no ya no do be di
no offer bi winsa
oh chama me
your friend say
man me ni di mom
your friend say
bazana o offer na do be di ade ntino say one offer there
me ho me sua de no offer bi winsa
o jana ana mere kire say no offer na di be di ade ntino tutu offer na mo di dia
o say o sua ne offer akra na winsa me ka say or we club ni ado so sua no offer no offer bi so winsa
o jana ana mere kire say no offer na di be di ade ntino ya offer de be fan one sua na one fa so ya
Kevin
no jama
mini pa no ba
had Snow White na I think say Don Pablo
me ba cho asama Kevin Rickard me hu film
you struggle to associate yourself
anu ye show papa
Kevin
entina he said that Don Pablo Amamichi Don Pablo
emudu do ahina unim emu de na wensa no
chama no offer no do
ye kan wo se minim wo se ane de minim unim ni din wo se minim ni din just unim na what is saying man description
chama na mean to menchire send na tintin na say for mean to menchire o de ko body
ko ba ko da please ko ba ko da
oh David
ko da ko body o da ko da body ko da ko be no kan onya ko na aka na say ona winsa no kazeje
what's that pia microphone
David say me pese me class
na ko ba ko na ko di
David say eye ni nua na
just a general for no inside the commander.
Driver.
That be only because I know for me, sir. And the chance also only o si se wa brenu baje o pasa o bo pase me chama me se wa na na mu to ko komanda kudin a komanda kudin na o bo no nyambotre o bo komanda kudin dia ko batasa na ka me kan wa na asese
komanda kudin minimum no so driver ni na onya basa basa enu akro besra onya basa basa
na ko bo ndi kan sai we no sai de
bisa se ni nuana
na hana be bisa se ni nuana ye ko so no wo fa bi we sai ye kan o so onim ye ya
minim ai kronti abusia
menso me kira se menso minim kwa mnada akubia
say one no fun ya na so
o minim kwa mnada akubia ba me kira se wa be dia di
Kevin me pa cho time ni e ho asama ken is on record ye mo
bo
me say nyabutre kwesi nyabutre ma me na me kira se o se me am so dana me call soro ho no o me odwura no mo ye servo soro am ko am so me de me akwada me nyi me pom choma me bia da fo no ma me vanilla ni ade na ja me kotna nche na me twema ade wona mu se nana o se DJ Continue DJ Continue oh DJ Continue so tinche waje club any oni a Lampard dem so no say obi adu baby obi on the master na Lampard akoje no dia ba nam say enti see o ti ha obetna ewin say enti say chance oni musanwe and also odwan de ba manager sa we ho and the bass and I'm see you Mati. Tiene club no me kwena me sense ne dada no am ye de aba ene kwan appointing kwan fufu no enti una modin disa ye na wo Kevin be kire say and the Ocean wofa no Ocean wofa say Ocean wofa saying ensan we na na and I just so no fa be osim nim ni din so my description I feel like say je be tie sim kwesi
pa no pe no be bodi
bi ko we be kwesi
je Kevin Kasa no one kasa ya otumi kasa tia man kasa because DJ Kointi mini ni fifi bakum ye nyina ifi abanga say
na papa so kra so ne papa ye amakra for na wo abranti
meje fi kwesi tuntum fi
and Jeff of us ne vibes ana
meje fi kwesi tuntum fi
Kevin send e Kevin
na
chama o mama mani we afa do
ho yira me but let me do the honorable thing
menena ne amakwesi bia enti no enye se nchenchen me fi
abusa kase o amaka
o of us ne Jeff ayana vibes
fi kwesi fi po minua whether so ye me wo fa say
munya ya busuafo
and busu ni pa
se ne o kan
chairman ma me ntwensan na me pa
show yi asifo me busuafo ya sem ne me bo ma ana etwima na ya grow na ya kama ne bo no e hon de Ocean of Anka say yi
ye to be friend wo creating ni
obi amachia be
program
obi amachia san
mani be program asema wa ke
obi amachia san do frame kra na
asema wa ke ye we samran
na mo kra ni say asabu afayo what mu anim na
ye we samran
and the vibes
kwese je
no
ona ko bodi kwamata kudi ye de so kwamata kwa ye de
enti
the microphone Mr. What kwamata kwa ye de
o so frɛ wa you wan no
oh me what mean
what kwamata kwa ye de
me bisa me se ni nua
na pa che wo ne ho asem be ye de ha kwese kwamata ko ye bodin ya frɛ no obe ye den budget wo ka ho edinti obi akokpo din se obi wensa onim ni din ye na be sa kwamata ko ye uni ana na kwamata ko no wensa nti ana
menim kwamata ko pa minimum but minim
kwamata ko pa che ofa no why na o ya small boy onyi yes na nto asem ne no
ya azawo meseji meku ya manu ufia
Kevin so osre na na fo
ya fa chen
me
bona no ya ma
do be pa che u be twon daira
me bona no ya ma
obi atumi anya wo obi atumi ka che speaker u ka setia speaker de
o so atwiasa so wo atwiasa ye de
o watwiasa na me na me twinsa
me ma atwiasa ntino
na no Don Pablo na ekofa asem nyina ba enti banana shake mango shake any shake ahodo nyina Don Pablo and then yaja tum udru Christ Junction na ebi boho na no ayi de say suhumi no ginam Bruno ginam ene wo ye wedding wo ye ye bibia ya pese oba be boa wo no ene wo ya no ginamu na wabe ya makama kama che say we premier no do birthday bibia bibia na obehia shake de no ano san ton wine papa ene wo kwa no anse wo hwe no ya ma Don Pablo Adaroma bomodia na mame mango carrot and I think say banana you shake kama me na me hwe na anopai me fa check him also because baby
but you
when yes says on the beach libo ho
say back bu me obebunu virgin you know what
man can come remember about for match dada ya fe na be me
sorry paying for you
ayi ebomodia ne fo ne kire ho na ene ne nkasa Mandela Junction na Christ Junction 05577348820 055734882 05523026070 05523026007 ajapaye sanopaye menchia abusiafo ne atifo ma wo no mo bisa se mumpom teden san se ne opesu sidan na paniem adanse hu niam papa enko ba bi emie faso na kwankoda na wachenchena ene quarry blocks 5 inches na 6 inches some blocks no 5 inches 6 inches hollow blocks 5 and 6 inches ni na abajapaye ebi ho eden wusi biara ye ho akade e betim dia ma opanwea trip no pede we ope double lazo single lazo ope reno ope kia bongo ne ope bia cases no answer yesa na ye dia brewo ope china bucket be ma quarry stones ye disi dan enye na obaya na etuka anya fe na ye atwen driver na car de bia we trucks ne akofa ne dia brewo iron rods ensuo na ne nyina ye obi binding wire ene cement ye ope kra ne de bebro pomodia ne fo ne kire oba ne akire ne betimi aboa wo ewo dawu filling station no ebe ho pa ne opposite pomodia free 0244 719 814 osemi ka o se live band jumadi awudi biara ene ne we ya pedo de aba na obebo de amount na ai kama band mo de no tunum ye more than one pa ajapai anopai uti enka ya chiao kwasi jabo amono ne kasa minsu asa enti mehia nsuo na no ya o ma minsuo na jakra manya bi de ayeme niema ene ade na kama anopai Jeff Akufu Boateng ebe boy Jeff maybe obi a mo de ama na o men submission e was no jama ni nsem so awo so wam so ahye dan follow so otu kwan enti afi no aba enti yes so na ye de asde ma kwasi agei pa kwasi agei na yenua Kelvin na adi ono so ebe boy anapai akwanya ba na kesi bie telephone na so bre sem no ye be na ye bie na ye de ma atutu ye kama Kofi Kore enso ebe boy Kofi kwese je ni atunu fo ade ode na fa me fa ha ye ma na gaba
ontie
ade ode me fa be stop
no na Kevin you ate onjangin onyawa on fan spell
Kofi yi misi minyana me fan chet
me dey Kofi Ansong Baffour enana pay pa kwese je Korea German kwese citizen and Jeff Akufu Boateng be boy sana yenua Nana Adi Damo also be boy Kevin Adi DJ Vibes Nana DJ Continue and so a boy and yenua DJ Zigibi and I'm so boy yes sorry so Yanko Ponya do match na you be saying eshawa
Okoman Radio 97.1 Station Radio Man Kenya Okoman Radio 97.1 Hey Okoman Radio.
Okoman from our bank, and you can you cry? Must say, baby, yeah, when you size what?